Pause for a moment and imagine the rustle of leaves underfoot, the gentle whisper of the wind, and the intricate patterns on a butterfly's wings. Nature journaling offers this immersive escape. It's a simple yet profound practice of observing and recording the world around you in words or sketches. This activity enhances your focus, encourages creativity, and fosters a deep connection with the natural world. By capturing small details, you cultivate mindfulness and sharpen your observational skills. Beyond its cognitive benefits, nature journaling is a sanctuary for introspection, allowing you to reflect and recharge in the ever-constant embrace of nature's rhythms.